Everything's green again. Our grass is very long because we're waiting to get our lawnmower back from the repair guy. My forest is bursting with life. In the wintertime we can see through it, but now I haven't been in there to walk yet because I have been plagued with migraines since Thursday night. And I'm still kind of dealing with the aftermath and the medication side effects I get. Ugh. I've had a rough few days, but there's always nature around. There's my oak. My oak here, right next to the porch, which hopefully is going to be finished next week. And there's my dog, Thor. Say hi, Thor. Say hi, Thor. Ah! No, not like that. And there's my crafty bago. It's where I currently keep all my quilting fabrics. And then if you look, it's just trees and trees and trees. So, hello. I look a wreck. I'm not gonna... Oh, let me see. Hold on. I can't. No. I'm here. I'll see you soon.